Dear children, today I am going to teach you poem number 2, Wind, written by our great Tamil poet Subramanya Bharadiyar. Of course, he wrote the poem in Tamil language. It was translated by A.K. Ramanujam, who is a wonderful English poet, well known for his translation of classical and modern poetry. Right? Let us read the poem, enjoy the poem. When the school opens, I will make you all sing this poem. Wind, come softly. Here, the poet is talking to the wind and making a request, making an appeal. Come softly, not as a cyclone to destroy. He is making a request. Wind, come softly. Oh, don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't break the shutters of the windows. When the wind blows heavily, strongly, it will be breaking the shutters and windows, sometimes doors even. So he is making a request. Don't scatter the papers. Of course, the papers are kept on the table or in a bureau. You are pushing them. Don't push them. Don't scatter the papers. And then don't throw down the books on the shelf. Of course, when you are blowing strongly, my dear wind, you are pushing down all the books from the shelf. Don't do that. There, come on, look what you did. Come on, oh my wind, come on, see what you have done. You threw them all down. You threw the books and papers down, and you tore the pages of the books. Of course, you have torn the pages of the books also. You brought rain again. Of course, I am very happy. Along with you, you are bringing rain. That is a benefit to the world. That's good. And you brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. But those who are weak, you are making a fun. You are very clever to make fun of them. Frail, crumbling houses, weak houses, you are breaking them. And for make the frail means weak houses are falling down. Crumbling doors, weak doors are falling down. You are pushing them. Crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Those are weak, you are pushing them with your strength. So don't blow strongly. That is what my request. That's what the poets request. The wind god, of course, he is calling wind as a god. In Tamil literature, wind god is called Varunan. It is Vayu Bhagavan, we call it, and it was the poet is a Tamil poet. Oh, he is calling the wind god. You are winnowing and crushes them all. You are simply separating the weak and strong people and troubling the weak people. He won't do what you tell them. So, poet is talking to us now. We say a wind won't follow our orders. Whatever you tell wind god, he won't follow. So, come, let us build strong homes. Now the poet talks to us. So, let us all build strong homes. Let us join the doors firmly, strongly. Practice to firm the body. Let us make building, doors, and everything strong. Then the wind cannot break them. Make the heart steadfast. Of course, you people must be having a strong heart. Then only the troubles won't disturb you. So here the wind is symbolic version of all the troubles we face. When we are strong, we can win over the troubles. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. When we are strong, wind will be very friendly with us. The wind blows out weak fires. Of course, even the fire, if it is weak, it will be blowing out. But he makes strong fires roar and flourish. In forest fire, it was blowing and blowing, making the fire to flourish more. So when you are strong, the troubles will make you stronger. His friendship is good. we praise wind every day. So let us all be brave and strong. That is what the beautiful poem written by Subramanya Bharadiyar, and it was translated by A.K. Ramanujam, a Kannada poet. He is actually beautifully and translated. It's really glory for all the Tamilians. Tamil poem has been translated in English. Okay, children, after read the poem once again, I am sending the copy here and copy down the question answers given by me. Okay. காற்றே 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 மெதுவாய் வீசிடு காற்றே ஜன்னல்களை உடைக்காதே புத்தகங்களை தள்ளாதே காற்றே 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 ஒரு விண்ணப்பம் மெதுவாய் வீசிடு காற்றே அன்பாய் தழுவிடு காற்றே. So this is the Tamil version I have tuned last year. So that I will teach you when the school is reopening. Enjoy the poem once again. All the best.